Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on a Ford Focus. This car have a problem. Check engine on. When customer came, he told me check engine on, that's the problem. So when I scan with my diagnosis tool, I got fault. You can see here. B camshaft position actuator A control circuit open bang 1. That's the problem. So today I will show you where is the location camshaft position actuator A, fault code P0013. Okay, this is the car and here is the engine room. Cam actuator, this one and that one, see, one is wire open. This is the cam actuator B camshaft actuator, this one, see, wire open. So I fix it. So here is the location, this one. Okay, thank you.